So check it out. Tonight we're featuring my Marx E7s in Baltimore and Ohio paint schemes. We have on the outside a Pere Marquette E7. When I got this long pilot, it was missing all 4 steps. So I took a Marx tank car ladder and cut it into little sections to make steps that look a lot more realistic. Also, I sanded off all the grab irons and handrails and used thin copper wire to make new ones, which then I painted them blue. I made all the decals for it, and of course I drilled out the Mars light and put 19-volt LEDs in behind it. It's pulling MTH Madison cars, the Rail King, they're the heavyweight ones. Now in the middle track is another Baltimore and Ohio with pulling Lionel Baby Madison cars. And then on the inside we have a mixed freight. So we'll take them for a spin. Give me a little second to get to my transformers and we'll see how they go. Okay, they run great. 3 great looking locomotives. The Marx E7s, of course, they all have the power pull motors in them. So thanks again for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.